Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic, Does Fidelity Investments have a good reputation? Fidelity Investments is a well-known financial services company with a generally strong reputation in the industry. It's consistently ranked as one of the best brokers for various types of investors, including beginners and those focused on retirement. The company is often praised for its low costs, a wide range of investment products, and excellent research tools. One of the key reasons for Fidelity's good reputation is its commitment to low fees. They offer commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs and even have a selection of index funds with a $0 expense ratio, which is a major benefit for investors looking to minimize costs. Fidelity also has a reputation for strong customer service and a user-friendly platform, including a highly rated mobile app. The company is a major player in the financial world, with trillions of dollars in assets under administration, and is a regulated firm, which adds to its reliability. However, no company is without its drawbacks. Some advanced traders may find the mobile app lacks certain features compared to its desktop platform, and the company has faced some scrutiny in the past over legal issues like fines for document retention and misrepresentation. Despite these isolated incidents, the overall consensus is that Fidelity is a reputable and reliable choice for most investors. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.